guys, today we are checking the most incredible washing show. The one you should clean, wash your dishes, and wash water bottles. Today we are going to the amazing, incredible Squidward! Let's go! Squidward, what are you doing?
I'm cleaning all your dishes.
Cool! That is so good. You are doing well. I think I'll give you a fired. No, I'm not firing you. I am gonna give you a badge. That's why you are a good cleaner. Look at this. He's cleaning all the stuff. He cleans the spoon, the fork, and also the big spoons and white spoons. And there is a plate. He's cleaning it so fast. That's so good. So, if you wanna be a cleaning showman, just